you want me to
Right.
walk the 9mm up? You guys have any more talking to do?
That's gonna be it. I'm gonna get that for right now.
Okay.
Keep videoing him going on the trip. Go get it.
Mom.
Is, still no carry whatsoever?
No, that's a transfer issue that came into that one. And so they kind of forced the municipal code that we had, and the municipal code was taken over with them, if anything. And so it's not a crime. So we carry in San Francisco and Embarcadero area. Like almost the entire Embarcadero is.
Yeah.
Haley, stop it.
Okay, have a great day.
All right,
Keep
thanks.
fighting the fight.
Oh yeah, will do. Can I stop? Can I stop it? Just till the end of my purchase.
Mom.
Yeah, those are mine.
Mom. Can we have a fit because it's blown out?
That guy that was just back there for Jen?
You already got 3.
I don't know what his name is. Actually helped me with
See,
phone
it's-
arrows and everything. So.
What, I have to have it right
I
now?
haven't seen
No, I don't. I don't want it right now.
That's your 8/23/74.
Can we come and fit because of my choice?
Mom, what's that? Let's see, I certify I am legal age to purchase this merchandise and assume full responsibility for the use of these items.
We're right next to the airport.
Okay, let's see. What if I said no? Does it actually reject it or does it allow it?
I don't know.
We should try it.
I had some older guy from there. He's like, I've been buying this stuff for years. What's wrong with you people?
No
I'm
kidding.
sorry, I didn't mean to. It's not my fault. Go to a different store.
Yeah, no kidding.
Holy cow. You want that?
I know. How do I get the credit?
Hold the app. Okay. By question. Can I see your name? Mom, Harry, it's not yours.
Thanks.
You
Oh,
can't do any of it.
done on the screen. Got it.
Mine.
There's no get done until I
You don't
touch
have
the
the
thing.
choice. Oh, really? It's my choice, not yours. Stop it!
You have a bag?
No. Why do you want it? I don't want it
I'm
now.
not carrying a lot. They're whining.
Do.